foodies, welcome back you guys. It's Adjoa here from Adjoasdishes and I welcome you all to my channel. Today the girls and I are going to the beach and it's been a long time coming, you guys. We need a break, we need some rest, and so of course I'm going to bring you guys along. You guys are going to see where we are going, what we are going to do, and how we are going to spend the afternoon together with my girls. So come with me as I take you along for the day with me and the girls. Stay tuned. You guys know that once I turn the camera to the mirror, it's going to be an OOTD moment. So this is our outfit for the day. I'm just going with this simple dress. It's sort of a summer dress. I've got my sunshades here from Quay. Thank you, Charles. This is an amazing gift. And we're ready to go. Come along, guys. So guys, I'm ready to leave now. I've just got this simple tote bag here and we are ready to go.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me.
So we just got to the beach and this is the view. It's a very beautiful place, very quiet. I've got my lady here and my girls are here. We are ready to go in.
Baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, I see you. My baby, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. Everything for your jambele, yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh. Promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh.
About to play Lulu. Hi.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around.
It's my
and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is
Happy Sunday to all of you. I'm currently on my way to church, and yesterday I forgot to end the video properly, but we had such a great time. It was an amazing time yesterday that we had, and I'd like to say thank you to you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let me see your comment down below. Let's interact in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. See you all later. Bye.
My baby, I don't cover that I die for you. I pray to the Lord.